Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you too.
What are you doing now?
I'm practicing my English skills.
That sounds great. How is it?
It's hard, but I'm improving.
I wish I could speak fluently.
Me too, it's really challenging.
How long have you been practicing?
I've been practicing for 1 year.
That's a long time. Impressive.
Thank you, but still not fluent.
What do you find most difficult?
Speaking quickly and understanding others.
I feel the same, it's hard.
Yes, it takes a lot of effort.
Do you practice speaking every day?
Yes, I try to practice daily.
That's a good habit to have.
What about you? Do you practice?
Yes, but not as often.
It helps to practice more regularly.
I should start practicing more frequently.
Yes, it will definitely help you.
Do you watch English videos too?
Yes, I watch them every day.
Do you think they are helpful?
Yes, they help with listening skills.
I need to watch more videos.
It's a great way to learn.
Do you also read English books?
Yes, I read simple English books.
Do they help with your vocabulary?
Yes, they help me learn words.
I'll start reading more books then.
That's a good idea, definitely.
What else do you recommend?
Try speaking with English speakers often.
I'm too shy to speak often.
Don't worry, mistakes help you learn.
I always feel embarrassed when speaking.
It's normal, but you'll improve quickly.
How do you stay confident speaking?
I just keep practicing and learning.
I will try to do that.
Yes, don't be afraid to try.
I wish I spoke more confidently.
Confidence comes with more practice, honestly.
How can I practice more speaking?
Join a language exchange or club.
I've never tried a language exchange.
It's fun and helps a lot.
Where do you find language exchanges?
Online or in your local area.
I'll search for one today.
Yes, that's a great step forward.
Thank you for your encouragement, Tom.
You're welcome. We're both learning, right?
Yes, learning together is more fun.
Exactly. We can help each other.
That's true. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, little by little, we improve.
I feel more motivated to practice.
That's great. Keep pushing yourself, Anna.
I really want fluency.
You'll get there with persistence.
Thanks, Tom. You're very motivating.
You're welcome. We will succeed together.
Yes, I believe we can improve.
Absolutely. Just keep practicing every day.
I'll speak more, read more, listen more.
That's the best way to learn.
Do you have any other tips?
Maybe try writing in English, too.
I didn't think about writing much.
Writing helps with grammar and vocabulary.
I'll start a journal in English.
That's a wonderful idea, Anna.
Thanks, Tom. I feel more determined.
I'm glad to hear that, Anna.
I'll set goals and track progress.
Yes, goals help you stay focused.
What are your current English goals?
I want to improve speaking fluency.
We have the same goal then.
Yes, we can achieve it together.
Let's motivate each other every day.
Definitely. I'll check your progress too.
Thank you. Let's work hard together.
Yes, hard work will pay off.
Tom, I have an idea.
Well, what's your new idea?
Let's practice English in real situations.
That's great. What do you mean?
We can go to a cafe.
And speak only in English there?
Yes, it will be real practice.
That sounds fun and very helpful.
We can order food in English.
I like that idea a lot.
It will boost our speaking confidence.
Agreed. When should we go?
How about this weekend, Saturday afternoon?
Yes, Saturday afternoon works for me.
Perfect. Let's prepare some phrases now.
Good idea. What should we practice?
Maybe ordering coffee and asking questions.
All right, let's start with simple phrases.
How about, can I have coffee?
That's good. What will they reply?
They might ask, which size cup?
Then we can say, medium please.
Exactly, and it's natural conversation practice.
What if they ask about sugar?
We can say, no sugar, thanks.
Great. We're ready to order coffee.
Yes, let's practice some more questions.
What if we need more time?
We can say, give us a moment.
That's simple and polite. Perfect answer.
Yes, politeness is very important too.
What if we need the menu?
We can ask, can I see menu?
That's a useful phrase to remember.
Yes, it will help us a lot.
I'm excited to try this, Anna.
Me too. We'll practice speaking naturally.
I hope we won't get nervous.
It's okay, we'll do our best.
Yes, mistakes help us improve anyway.
Exactly, it's all part of learning.
Should we practice introducing ourselves too?
Yes, that's good for conversations.
I'll say, hi, I'm Tom.
And I'll say, hi, I'm Anna.
We can add, nice to meet you.
Perfect. That's a polite introduction.
What if they ask where we're from?
I'll say, I'm from this city.
I'll say, I'm from nearby town.
That sounds clear and easy enough.
Yes, now we're ready for Saturday.
I'm looking forward to our practice.
Me too, it'll be very helpful.
Let's make it a regular activity.
Great idea. We'll improve even faster.
Yes, real-life practice is always effective.
Definitely. We'll be fluent in no time.
Step by step, we will improve.
Agreed. Let's keep learning every day.
I'm excited for our English journey.
Me too, we'll get better together.
Tom, I have a new idea.
Really? What's your new idea now?
Let's start a daily speaking challenge.
Interesting. How does it work?
We talk in English every day.
For how long each day, Anna?
Let's try 10 minutes for now.
That sounds manageable. What topics, though?
We can discuss different topics daily.
Like food, hobbies, travel, or news.
Exactly. It will improve our vocabulary.
Great. When should we start, Anna?
How about tomorrow morning at 9?
Perfect. I'll set a reminder now.
We can start with simple conversations.
Yes, to build confidence while speaking.
What if we get stuck, though?
We can help each other, of course.
That's true. It'll keep us motivated.
Do you think 10 minutes is enough?
It's a start, then we'll increase.
Yes, gradual improvement is always best.
I agree. Consistency is key to success.
What should we talk about first?
Let's start with our daily routines.
Good idea. It's simple and practical.
We can also describe what we see.
Yes, describing things helps with fluency.
I'll make a list of ideas.
Great. That will keep us organized.
Should we record our speaking sessions?
Yes, recording helps track our progress.
We can listen and correct mistakes.
Exactly, it will improve pronunciation too.
Do you feel nervous speaking daily?
A little, but I'm excited too.
Me too. It will challenge us.
Yes, and will build strong habits.
I can't wait to start tomorrow.
Same here. This will be fun.
Should we practice with native speakers too?
Yes, that will improve our listening.
We could find speaking partners online.
That's a great idea, very practical.
It will push us out of comfort.
True, it will help us speak better.
We can alternate between native and ourselves.
Yes, balancing both will improve fast.
Are you ready for tomorrow, Tom?
Absolutely. I'm really looking forward to it.
Let's do our best every day.
Agreed, consistency will lead to fluency.
I believe we can do this.
Yes, we're already making good progress.
I'll prepare more topics for later.
Thanks, Anna. You're really organized.
Just trying to keep us focused, Tom.
That's important for long-term improvement.
Yes, and we'll enjoy the process too.
Definitely. Learning can be fun together.
I agree, we make a great team.
Yes, teamwork makes everything easier.
Let's celebrate when we reach fluency.
Absolutely. We'll have a language party.